Welcome back, folks. So is this not the day that we're going to have problems? Yes, I've practically finished my new kitchen. My extract fan has got a bit of a sound. Let's go straight into it. It cost 508 quid, and this is what it is. You can see that there. It does look pretty cool. Now it does have a bit of a hum, a very large hum. So the functions are very easy. You've got a light here. Put that on, light comes on, nice. Then you've got a timer, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, and that's the fan operations. So let's press it on 1. Now you can hear the fan up there, but also you can hear a bit of a, I can't explain that noise. And again, there's some background noise in there. Now, I'm not really sure how much you can hear of this, but when we lift this up, that's the filter itself. But even so, let's hold that up a minute, take the filter out. Now, for some reason, that in there is making a bit of a din. So here's the fan. I've opened it up. I've took the extract thing off the top there, so that's ready. And I was just about to take it off the wall, and I thought I'd just test it as it is to see if I can recreate the hum, which is actually in this machine. So let's have a look and see exactly what the problem is. So this is what's causing the problem, I believe. Now the air goes in through here, and it goes around there, and it goes out of the ceiling. But watch what happens when I turn it on. Right, okay. Now when I press this up, this is the noise I keep hearing. That is pretty loud, and that's going through the house. It's that stuff. I don't get it. That costs 500 quid. But you just wonder, how on earth is that possible? It's a really odd noise. Now, I have actually just phoned up John Lewis. I bought it from them, and they are actually going to exchange it for another one. And the best luck is, the result is, that the new one has actually gone down to £305. Hey, that's £200 saving. I mean, I didn't deliberately do this, there's a problem with it. Even the fitter, I've done a short video that I've actually loaded up. Well, that's actually after the fitter left. Now, we were concerned about the noise because it don't matter. Even the fitter complained saying, God, that's noisy. Now, I know this is a very big room, and there's no doubt about it, it is big. You can see round, it is quite a big room. And it goes all the way round, right down to that far end. Now I will say it could be, the fact is, that isn't helping. And another thing as I'm wondering, because this is fitted on a wall like this, it's hollow. Now around here, the whole wall has been pre-made previously to fit the original kitchen, which actually came from John Lewis. It was one of their showroom kitchens, which we had made to order. We didn't make it to order. We made the room to fit the kitchen because it was from the showroom. But nevertheless, this time we've used it as it is, and we just thought we'll go for it. And obviously everything else is fitted. But that's one problem. I have got a number of problems, but I'll put that in another video because I don't know, it's endless. I only want to get on and get this job done because I've been hanging about for nearly 3 years to get this kitchen finished, and it just seems endless, on and on and on. You know, it slowed me up a bit on doing videos, so it's sort of naffed me off a bit. Oh well, I'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!